question of the day. Would you purchase a brand new doll even though you have 15 for your other daughter? Yes or no? Would you give your other daughter a doll of her own, or would you have her play with the other dolls? Comment down below and let me know.
Every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, Rob's first day of vacation, and he's taking the girls to the American Girl doll store because Maddie has been asking. Yes, it is. Okay, so he's giving the boys shape up. Okay, he's giving the boys shape up, and he cut Jackson's hair. I'll show you guys what that looks like. I got Jackson's clothes all picked out right here. I just have to steam them and do Maddie's hair, and then get dressed and get on the road. Yes. Oh, I need shoes. That's fine.
You got another ear back?
So everyone's already dressed. Like Maddie said, I need shoes. And it's 10 o'clock, so the store opened at 11. Matt got her American Girl shirt on. That's a hand-me-down from Destiny. I'm about to get her own today. So. Huh? Okay.
Babe, can I use
Yes?
your ear back?
My ear back?
Yeah.
Sure. We're taking Daddy's car. Where are your dolls? Where are the girls you're taking?
In the car.
You already put them in? Yeah? Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's take Daddy's car. That way? I thought we were going out through the garage.
In our car.
We're taking the family truck. We're not taking Daddy's car. Daddy's car is too small. We're going in the truck. Ooh, you come back in my nose.
We're too fancy.
Yeah. Sexy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rob looks nice today.
I'm in the video because I see myself in the mirror.
Yeah. He was getting ready to wear his he was getting ready to wear it's Modelo time shirt. I said, please don't wear that shirt because that shirt screams I'm an alcoholic, but I would like nice things for my children. So let's go, guys.
Daddy almost forgot this.
Yeah.
I need water. Let me fill up my cup. Oh, you guys look so cute. Let me show you guys. They look so nice. Look at the boys. Jordan didn't want to shape up. Jack.
Shoes, hairline.
Oh.
It's in the back of it. No. Jaxson is.
Hi.
My kiddos have potential, okay? Okay? They just don't show it. I don't know. Every time I send them to get dressed, they never put on the clothes that I buy them. If I don't go in their room and get them dressed, they come out looking like trash bags. So I have to start dressing them now because they be making me look like I don't try. And I spend money on these children. And it needs to show. Okay, 14 minutes. So I need some water. So that's what I'm filling up right now. I'm taking my pink Starbucks cup. Yes! Taking my pink Starbucks cup with me just to keep hydrated.
Maddie's screaming at me.
I see. All right. Bring a gummy for her.
Where's the straw?
So we're sitting here waiting for Rob. He's the reason why we're late for a lot of stuff.
Part 2.
Everybody got their belts on?
Yeah.
Jordan, got your belt on? Lying, Jordan. Jordan, you're lying again.
I didn't say yes. I said no.
But you know the routine, right?
I swear I heard you say yes.
Right?
I didn't say yes. Yeah. I was already done downloading. You know what Jordan did? I wanted to go in the back with Jaxson.
We don't air our dirty laundry out in public, okay? We'll talk about it in a little bit. But anyways, so there's this Amish furniture store that I'm supposed to be going to. It opens at 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna see if Rob can swing by there before we go up to Virginia. And what else do I have to get done today? That's it. Take Madison to the American Girl doll store, and hopefully she doesn't break the bank. Hopefully, you know, the stuff that she likes is like decent price, because ain't nobody paying no $200 for no bathroom set that she wants. I thought she wanted a doll, but she doesn't want a doll. She wants just stuff. So I wanted to get the experience of her getting her first doll, but because we have so much, how many dolls do we have? 15. We have 15 dolls. I don't think it would be right. I couldn't justify purchasing another doll just because she needs a doll of her own. And she does play with older dolls, so I don't know. Would you guys buy your child a brand new doll? I think that's the question of the day. So let's stop and do the question of the day. Anyways, back to the vlog. But anyways, so hopefully everything she wants is in reason. Rob and his Yeti cup. Who's been around since Rob Yeti cup of Christmas? You should have been here. And there's no reason why it should be brand new. Can't be brand new around here. He got a handle. He got a handle for it. Got a handle for it. What else did he get? That's it. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we get there. Are you excited?
The hospital. I really
What?
want this.
What are they gonna buy?
In the Vile Village.
A bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
She really wants a bathroom.
When we get inside. Open the door.
Please use the mall doors to open. This one.
Use the mall door. Come on. I know. Are you excited? Come on. This way. You see all the girls? Yeah. Go.
The bathroom. Oh, she can't see it. This is what she wanted. It's $195.
Huh? That's the bathroom? The bathroom? And her jacket? Yeah? Okay. Alright, let's keep
Where?
looking.
Huh?
This the one you
He forgot
want?
his money again in the car.
He didn't forget it. He purposely left it there.
Well, you know we're in the mall. You can buy things here.
He purposely left it there. Stop lying.
So, you gonna get it or you? So I think it'll be. Oh, you want to take this one?
Okay, so we're all done. I feel claustrophobic. But it was a cute little experience for Mad. Her first trip. And she did a little damage to her daddy's pocket, so. You had fun, Maddie? You had fun? Yeah? Go. Huh? So, we're gonna head to grab something to eat, cause all the food places in here
You guys are staying with your bags?
are like really limited. So I'm gonna buckle this baby in
Pull it down. We're in the back.
and go grab something to eat, cause
No, I
I'm tired.
What's that? 'Cause you can't reach.
Ugh.
can't.
Okay, so
You have your own bag now.
I'm hot.
The spaghetti dinner set.
We took the boys to a Lego store.
My favorite part of the mall.
Your
Oh,
mini
Jason, give me
doll.
my wallet.
A shirt for you.
There could only be 6 people in the store. We're a family of 7. So when we got in, they were like, "You guys need anything?" So it felt kind of like rushed. So the boys, Jackson got some car. Was it a car? Ferrari. And then I think Jason and Destiny got something, and then Jordan purchased something for himself. But we're gonna go feed them right now, and then head back down to our area.
Really late.
So we're finally home, and the kiddos have fun. We're about to go hang out outside with our cool neighbors. Like we have 2 cool neighbors now in the South, so that's good. So one of them, her older son, came over and he's about to do fireworks for the kiddos. I'm not throwing no fireworks this year because you guys know what happened last year. I ain't in it. I'm not in it. I don't want nobody cuss me out or throw stuff on my lawn this year because it's not me. You can open your American Girl stuff. Yay! Okay, so this is what she got. She got a shirt. I'll show you guys. She got a backpack set. She got these are freebies. I gave her a freebie, a little mask for her doll. I think it's a 2-pack. And then Destiny got one as well. Isn't that cute? And then she got a doll, the mini. And then Destiny got this. This was what?
Yeah,
$35.
Wait, did you show them the little mask?
Yeah, we got a shirt for the doll.
The little
And we got, yeah, I did. She got a shoe.
hanger.
We got some hangers
And a jacket.
and a jacket.
Doesn't go with last year review.
There's tape on it. Wait. Do you want to open this or the doll?
Doesn't she show you how to open the boxes? She's a pro.
You pull the
There you
tape
go.
off of it so you can keep it.
You have to be patient.
Here. Here's your doll. Mad. Look. Then you have the little book. And you can actually read this, you know.
Let me see your shirt. Open your shirt. Open your shirt.
Open this one.
I got it on your shirt because this shirt belongs to Destiny. So I got her own shirt. This used to be her shirt.
Here, give me that so I can put this. I can weigh this down.
It's amazing. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag.
Just don't drop it on the floor.
Dreya's inside. No. Put the boxes in the bag, please. The mask for the doll.
That shirt? Yeah. Okay, open it. Here, you just pull it off. Do you want to try it on the doll? Yeah. This is your doll, okay? Isabella, since you like Isabella.
Put in the bag.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this into it.
Happy July 4th. I forgot to pick up the camera. I didn't even know I was gonna vlog today, but it's July 4th. And of course, Rob is on vacation. Yesterday, what did we do yesterday? We took the girls to American Girl. And then today, of course, we're going to this park in Maryland. It's called Rocky Gap. It's like a mini beach. Yeah, we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. So, we're gonna go to Ocean City, but I saw this picture of the beach being overcrowded and freaked me out. Like, there were people everywhere. Like, the sand was just covered in people. I was like, ain't gonna be me there. But we might go down there because I feel like that picture is Photoshop. So we might go to Ocean City tomorrow, but we gotta leave early in the morning. But we're on our way to this little beach situation. But it's more like but the kids like little spots like these. So that's what we're getting ready to do. And I got my shirt on that says red, white, and chill. Because we're chilling today. So I see y'all when we get there. Yeah, they cut through the mountains. They cut through the mountains to get the road.
That's the big drill.
Yeah.
A big drill.
Big drill bit, yeah.
It's
I mean, they blasted.
beautiful out here.
See the mountains?
All the way up in there. Yeah. Come on. In the water. Because it got hot. Come on. So, we're here. It's not the greatest. I've been to better. Rob is like 2 hours and we're done. Because I can't. There's poop everywhere down there in the water. It's a man-made beach area situation, so we didn't really expect the greatest, but I'm never coming back. I'll do like the trails and stuff because they have like trails that you can walk. But the beach area, not coming back. I don't do poop. Sure. So we've been here for about an hour. I just have to take Maddie to use the restroom, which I'll do give them credit for because they do clean their bathrooms like really good. So that's a plus.